overriding only possible. Static method overriding not there. Constructor overriding not there. Okay, right. Note. Make it. To perform. Method overriding process. To perform method overriding process. Inheritance concept is mandatory. Inheritance concept is mandatory. In inheritance process only overriding concept will be there. Inheritance not there means overriding. Just for when the inheritance concept is there only overriding concept will be there. Okay. In interview point of view, when they ask overriding, they'll ask overloading because the term is similar. They'll ask it. Now make it. FAQ. Define method overloading process. Method overloading process. Define method overloading process. Method overloading process. More than one method with the same method name. More than one method with the same method name. More than one method with the same method name, but differentiated by their parameter list or parameter type. More than one method with the same method name, but differentiated by their parameter list or parameter type is known as method overloading process. Is known as method overloading process. In method overloading process, return type is not considered. In overloading, they'll say names only, they'll see parameter list and type. They will not take return types. In your overloading, return type must be same. The definition includes this return type. Here, return type is not included. In method overloading process, return type of methods are not included. Return type of methods are not included. In overloading, return types are not considered or not included. And one more statement. To perform method overloading process, inheritance is not needed. You can take one single class and do the overloading. Actually, overloading not belongs to inheritance. Overloading belongs to polymorphism, actually. But all books, since 20 years, all books they'll write. Wherever the overriding is there, they'll write overloading, they'll write. Because to educate a student, bit easily we'll write. But for overloading, inheritance not needed. Example also available. The class is waiting to you. String class is waiting. String chapter is waiting for you. Java lang.string. If you take this string now, same method will be there. Value of, same method. But what is the difference? Means parameter list or type will be different. Now this method is overloading method. You can see here also format same way. But parameter list or type will be different. Like this, many things will be there here. See there, two lowercase, two uppercase. Like this, split. and somewhere will be other also. Substring, substring, last index, last string. Same names only will be there. But what is the difference means a parameter list will be different. That concept we call it as a overloading. Sir, can I do overloading with instance methods? Yes. Can I do overloading with static methods? Yes. Can I do overloading with constructor? Yes. All are possible. Example here only there. This is constructor. String is a class, no? Up to now string not entered. Why means it? Class construction not over. Still class construction is going on. When the class construction over, class example will come. Because string not entered. Suppose example I say, this is one constructor. String, 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 string. These are all constructor. Constructor means having the same name of a class. This is constructor overload. More than one is there. The same way static methods will be there. Can you see value of method is static method? So static method overloading also possible. Instance method means here substring. Can you see substring? Substring. So this is instance method only. Means what? Constructor overloading possible. Instance method overloading possible. Static method overloading also possible. All possibilities available. Okay, so we can perform constructor overloading process, instance method overloading process, and static method overloading process. We can perform constructor overloading process, instance overloading process, and static method overloading process. All possibilities are available, and to perform overloading, inheritance is not needed. I'll take one example like this. One example program. See there? Application inheritance. There are two packages available. Package P1 is there. Package P2 is there. Always take. Under P1, I am taking one class. I'll take it as display. I will take something like this. Right. I'll take some constructors here. So public display one constructor. I'll take one more constructor here. But if we take 0 parameter constructor 2 times, error will come because duplicate. I must take one int x here. Where is this? I'll take one int x. I'll take int x, int y. So same name, but difference in the parameter list. So constructor overloading is possible. All of it clear? Right. Now I am taking one method. Public void display one method. So public void display. One method. So some parameters you have to take here. I'll take a here. I'll take int a comma int b. Sir, constructor overriding possible. Instance method overriding possible. All of it clear? Here I'll put one message. Sir, display of X. System data out dot println. The value X is equal to plus X. Common message always. Sir, here I will write display of X comma Y. I'll write it. Here I'll print Y. I will print it. I'm printing only Y I am printing. Sir, this is instance method. Instance method display of A. I am printing A and A. Sir, this is instance method A comma B. I am printing B here. Now look here. Anyway, overloading is possible. Constructor overloading possible and instance method overloading possible. Now, I must interlink these constructors. I want to link these constructors for execution. Okay, right. Now I will call one constructor having two parameters. I will call. Using this constructor, I want to call this constructor internally. Then I will use this of X. What I am using now? This of. This of and this. Both are different. Already you know the super of and super. Yes or no? What is the difference between super of and super? Super of, I am writing it as of here. Super of is used to access constructor from the parent class. Super is used to access method from the parent class. This is for inheritance process. Now, this of is used to access constructor from the same class. Have you got this point now? Constructor from the same class. And this is used to access method from the same class. Super means parent, this means the same. All of you got this point? Right. So now, I will call this method which is having two parameters using this dot display of A. Now, super is a constructor call. This is a method call. All of you got this point? You are expecting a question on it in your system test or technical interview, what they can ask. Inheritance, this only they can ask. Or overloading, method ID they'll ask. Because overloading direct questions. In inheritance, if you type in the Google search also, these many diagrams will come overloading. Since 40 years it is there now, overloading. Nowadays direct questions are not coming. So different questions means hiding. Many people better hiding means 40% of YouTube channels will say private keyword kills. Wrong. Hiding meaning means if execution control cannot reach, that is hiding. English meaning, and everybody knows, hide and seek. Hide means what? If I cannot reach it, that is hiding. Private keyword is not hiding. Many YouTube channels given private, they are all wrong. Hide English meaning is cannot reach by. When you cannot reach, already method is in the child, how can I come to parent? So parent class method is hidden method, you can see. Some method hiding you are expecting. You are expecting question on this, whether you have a clarity or not, you will ask a question. Whether you have a small clarity, you will ask. So I want to introduce this of and this. Already I introduced super off and super already introduced. Now I am introducing this off and this. So I am interlinking constructors. I am interlinking instance methods. So constructor chaining process, instance method chaining process. That is the interrelation. Constructor chaining means interlinking. Instance method chaining means interlinking. Now you have to call which method now? First to call this constructor here. Go to main class, under P2, demo inheritance 9. Demo inheritance 9 this one. So we are creating object for child anyway. So import P1 dot star create object for child. So child class OP equal to new child class. I am passing 11 and 12. So this is one constructor call. Two parameters only now. Not child class, sorry. Here what is there now? Display. Not parent-child relation, influence display. So constructors will come anyway. Display of x, display of x comma y. So I call x comma y, x comma y is calling x by using this off. Now call the method. Now call the method. OP dot display of two parameters 21 and 22. So this is one method call. Parameter. I call instance method display of a comma b. It is calling display of a. All of you understood? Constructor overloading. Constructor overloading. Instance method is overloading. Static method is overloading. I write separate program. So from this to together. So demo purpose. Project name. Application. Inheritance name. Under P1 I am taking it. Class PART-3. Under P1 I am taking same class PART-3. Under P2 I am taking demo inheritance 9.java. This is one main class. Both are executed here. So through this program, we introduced the soft and the tools. These programs are demo programs. One time I type it, learn the concept and leave it. These programs. So what I typed employee, what I typed yesterday hostler, that one. The two you practice once. A similar flavor assignments will come. These are all demo programs only. Understanding the concepts and leaving these programs. Right. Effective. What is the difference between the soft and the this? The soft and the this. The soft is used to access constructors from the same class. The soft is used to access constructors from the same class. super of means parent classes. You can remember, no? Read once and adapt, because you can see that chapters: variable, method, constructor, block, package, references, inheritance. Most questions available in the constructor. Remember, constructor. Yes or no? No. Louder. No. Read that constructor chapter once. For system test, you read block, because block behavior will be different. That's the concept. Package 3-4 questions only. They will not ask more. Reference is easy as a relation. One is loosely coupled, tightly coupled. Again, we are going to discuss the concept in the future. In inheritance, more questions are coming. The concepts are correct. Inheritance is the biggest question paper. You can find it. So this of super of and so on, overloading. Because we write many programs, almost 7 to 8 programs. I'm writing small programs. Now, this. So this keyword is used to access methods from the same class. Methods from the same class. Right. Constructor chaining, indirect question is that they will not ask instance method chaining, but they will ask a question. Constructor chaining, they'll ask a question. FAQ. Define constructor chaining process. Constructor chaining process. The process of interlinking constructors. The process of interlinking constructors for execution. The process of interlinking constructors for execution is known as constructor chaining process. Constructor chaining process. The process of interlinking constructors for execution is known as constructor chaining process. How you are interlinking means we are interlinking with this of or super of any one keyword. So instance method interchaining known it right. Now let me concentrate on second program where static method overloading is available. So one more application inheritance 10 I am taking. Here I had one package always given, and here I had one package P2. So 1 minute.
వచ్చేదానికి బస్ టికెట్స్ ఖాళీ ఉండడం, ట్రైన్ టికెట్స్ ఖాళీ ఉండడం, మొత్తం ఏముంది అసలు అక్కడ పూర్తిగా అయిపోయాయి మొత్తం అన్నీ చూసుకోవాలి సార్. స్టార్ట్అప్ కంపెనీస్ ఆల్రెడీ సార్ ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర 10 కంపెనీస్ ఉన్నాయనుకున్నారు 10 కంపెనీస్ కూడా స్టార్ట్అప్ కంపెనీసా లేకపోతే ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్అప్ కంపెనీస్?
Sorry, look here. So this program under P1 I'll take one class as P class. Under P1 I'll take one class as a C class. Extends from B class. Right, look here. Here also one interview question is there because I am writing separately. I took P class, C class, I forget it. 1 minute. So inheritance not needed, no? I'll take one class as addition I will take. So one static method I'll take here. So public void add of int x comma int y. Public same method. Some int x comma int y comma int z. Static keyword. Static method overload. Add method of x comma y. Sum is equal to add method of x comma y comma z. Right, look at it. Anyway, static method overloading is possible. I want to interlink these static methods by using this keyword. Static construct available or not available? Available or not available? Not there. So instance construct is there. Static construct is not available. So at that point also I don't know nobody is getting the price because it's clear. This dot add of x comma y. So error will come. This keyword cannot be used inside the static. Cannot use this in a static context. So interlinking of static methods for execution not available. Understood this point now? This concept not available. We cannot use this. If I want to call it, I must call them individually. I must call it demo inheritance 10. Demo inheritance 10. Import p1 dot start. Here addition dot add 12 and 13. Addition dot add some 12, 13 and 14. I am calling two individual methods, answer will come. First information, static method overloading is possible. Static method interlinking is not possible. Okay, right. Example program. Right. Below that you make a statement. Note. Anyway, example program I will copy here. Before writing that, note note. Static method overloading possible, but we cannot interlink. Static method interlinking. Static method interlinking for execution is not possible. Not possible because we cannot declare this or super. Even super also cannot declare. These are super keywords. We cannot declare this and super keywords in static methods. Static method interlinking for execution is not possible because we cannot declare this and super keywords in static methods. Even super also cannot declare. When you cannot declare, we'll ask a question. Can we access static methods using super or this? Means answer is yes, you can access. So entire question is there, this question. To say this question only, I written this question. Question is, can we access static methods using super or these keywords? Why I am writing super means in the parent class is there means super. Can we access static methods using super or these keywords? Yes. Yes. We can access static methods using super or these keywords. As we can access static methods using super or these keywords. Yes, we can access static methods using super or these keywords. But the keywords must be used only in instance methods. But the keywords must be used only in instance methods. If you want to use super keyword in this code, that must be in the instance method only. You cannot write in the static method. Right. Let me try this. Sir, interlinking not possible. Error. So this statement is error. You cannot write inside the method. I will take one instance method here. Void some access. One method I will take. Taking int x comma int y comma int z. So access is one instance method. It's not a static method. It is one instance method. Using this instance method, I will say this of add x comma y. I will say this dot add of x comma y comma can access. Using this keyword you can access, but this keyword must be declared inside the instance method only. If you write inside the static method, error will come. The reason, this and super are non-static variables. Non-static you cannot use inside the static. Now run it. How you will run it now? Sir, go to main class. Don't call these methods. Create object for addition. Create object for addition. AD.access some 12, 13 and 14. I am calling instance method. I am calling instance method we will call static method. All of understood or time train, don't be confused. Static method overloading possible. Constructor interlinking is there. Instance method interlinking is there by using this, or you can do with the super also if it is a parent. But static method interlinking not possible. The reason, you cannot use these keywords or super keywords inside the static methods. If you cannot use it, then they will ask reverse. If I want to access static method by using this or that, isn't possible or not possible? Last. Yes, it is possible. How? By declaring inside the instance method you must say. So that is project new application inheritance to P1 addition dot. Here also I read P1, P2 or what? Class learning. So P2 demo inheritance dot Java the values. So output is coming from so all of you understand this today's concept. So overloading. You have to read carefully. This is status. Now we are going to have a discussion of types of inheritances now. Now only inheritance concept has been ended. So all discussions we have. Tomorrow I will make a review. 10-15 minutes review. That assignment solution I will do on Saturday. This Saturday. Anyway, last week we have worked and this week also we are working completely. Anyway, I'll write the solution on Saturday. Tomorrow's class is 15 minutes review on inheritance. Then types of inheritances will be taken. In the types of inheritance, multiple inheritance will be. Multiple inheritance possibilities available in the Java. We are going to have a discussion tomorrow. After that, we are entering into one separate chapter. In interfaces, waiting for you. Inner class will not come only. Inner class will come bit late. So who will come next now? Interface will come. So that I am giving introduction to you.
Right. Take a break.
Thank you
very much.